Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a empties video. I have a crap ton of empties in here. I have not done one in a couple months. Usually I do these monthly because they're usually videos that nobody really watches, but I wanted to do it today just in case people do watch them, you know. Maybe they'll become popular again. Very doubtful. But yeah, guys, tons and tons of empties. So if you guys like to see what are in my empties, I do also put in samples in my empties as well so that I can discuss what the sample was like. And if you guys would like to see that, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I do them about once a month, and I also do at least three to five videos a week. So make sure you subscribe. Click that button. It's right down there. Make sure you subscribe. Do not forget. Come on. All right, guys. So let's get into this empties video. Also, like these videos if you enjoy them, and let's get into it. All right, guys. So we have a crap ton of empties in here, and I'm just gonna pull and talk about the product a little bit, and if I would repurchase it, and yeah, that's probably about it. All right. So the first thing we have, and I'm just searching through here. Yeah. No. Okay. So the first thing I have is the Clear Action Anti-Acne Renewal Cleanser. It's a Life brand, and it looks like that. It came in a set with 3 different, I'm trying out a ton of different acne treatments. As you can see, it's been a problem lately, and this was okay. I do like the Life brand. I think it is sold at Sephora. No, at like our Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada, as well as Rexall. So check in your stores. I don't know if the Life brand is sold in the US, but for all you Canadian girls out there, this is, it's just okay. I think that if you like some exfoliation to your cleansers, you will enjoy it, but if not, it is a very exfoliating, and I think it's just a little too abrasive for my skin. The second things I have in here, I got a little set, a Christmas set, with the Dr. Teal's body wash as well as the foaming bath. I love these. I actually bought a really big tub of it, and it's relaxing and relief with eucalyptus and spearmint, and they are all infused with Epsom salt. That is like the Dr. Teal kind of thing, is the Epsom salts. So they look like this, and I love these for the bath. If you guys have problems sleeping, which because of my anxiety, I have been having a lot of trouble sleeping. So if you guys have trouble sleeping, a relaxing bath right after you get home from work or right before bed, there's hairs flying everywhere, or right before bed can be very beneficial. So remember that, a really nice relaxing bath, some Epsom salts, especially if you work like a job like a house painter like I do. It's really gonna calm you down and get you ready for sleep, as well as when you get out of the bath. If the bath is like really warm, the cold air will, I can't remember exactly the way my doctor explained it, but like the cold air hits your body and it actually makes you sleepy. So yeah, that's something to note. Another thing that I have here, and I do not have the pump because I cleaned this sucker out. This is the Super Stay Better Skin Transforming Foundation by Maybelline. I don't know if they make this foundation anymore, but it is amazing. I found a place that sells this. It's like an outlet makeup store. It is in Barrie, Ontario, I think, and they had this, but they did not have my shade. I bought the shade lighter just so that I could have another bottle of this. This is an awesome foundation. It's not too matte, it's not too dewy. I wore it for work every single day. This is like the first foundation I ever repurchased. I'm sure there was another one, you know, down the line, but now that I've done YouTube and I'm buying new products, that is something intense that happens. If I buy a second one of whatever product I am talking about or whatever product I'm using, I know that I love that product. All right, so the next ones, I have quite a few moisturizers, and I'm just gonna throw them up kind of and talk a tiny bit about each one. So the first one we have is the LeanneX Bright Renewing Original Cream. I got a sample of this. This was great. I actually really enjoyed it. It wasn't like too thick. It wasn't too thin. The next one was the oil-free moisturizer from Juice Beauty. I love this stuff. I usually mix a little bit of the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary into a moisturizer, and this worked really great. I really like these oil-free moisturizers. Renewed Hope in a jar. This was good, not big enough sample. I need a bigger sample to be able to test it out further, but it was a nice, creamy, not too heavy moisturizer. Another one that I actually did not think I was going to like, and I ended up liking quite a bit, was this Clinique Moisture Surge. And what this actually is it is a gel moisturizer, so it's really, really good for like right before you're putting on your makeup. If you're an oily girl or combination girl, if you're a dry girl, you're going to want to moisturize even more. But this is a really nice, just like ordinary kind of moisturizer that is going to moisten your skin, but not like heavy moisture so that your makeup is slipping and sliding around. All right, let's go through here. Two things that were in my project pan that I actually have to keep, but I did finish, were the Glam Glow Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment and the Glam Glow Gravity Firming Treatment. I actually like literally cut this open. This is a great mask. It is so cool. It looks shiny on your face, so it's very cute, and I do think it does have some firming properties. I don't know how much exactly it's doing to my skin, because honestly, I used the full sample because it was so cool looking, but it's a cool experience, and if you have the cash, it might be cool to have. I don't know. I think you could probably find something else, but I never have. I have a few mascaras. Yeah, I got 2 mascaras. I have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love this mascara. I've had like 5 of these, and I was like, you know what? This one is gotta go. You can never tell that it's like ready to go, but I know this is ready to go. And then also the Roller Lash. I have a full size of this. I really like this mascara. It's the mascara I am wearing today. And yes, so I am getting rid of this one. Again, you can never tell, but usually I write 3 months. When I first get the product, I'll write 3 months ahead, so I know, okay, it's December, it needs to go. And it's actually the beginning of February, and both of these say December, so they need to go. Let's see here. There's a few more skincare things in here. This was actually, and I'm going to save this as well, this is a fail in my book. It's not that it is a bad product, it is just a fail because it does not work. This is the e.l.f. Zit Zapper Acne Treatment, and I think this has salicylic acid in it. Yes, it is a 1.0%, but it comes in a roller ball, and the worst part about it is that it doesn't come out. Like if you have it like this, a little bit comes out, but when you're doing it on your face, nothing comes out. And then just think about all the bacteria because it's a roller ball. No, this is a complete fail in my book. I only paid like $2 for it, so it's not that big of a deal, but I'm going to keep that for a fails video. I love this stuff. I've had 2 of these already, and this is the Omg L'Octane. It is their Supple Skin Oil. I've had 2 of these. One of them is empty and the other one is, I think, half full. These are awesome for getting rid of swatches, putting on your skin when it's really, like if you get out of the shower after you shave, putting this on, oh my god, you will feel amazing. And yeah, just all of those types of things that you would use oil for, this is great for. Taking off liquid lipsticks. I find that, like, you know, if you do end up getting like a tiny little bit in your mouth, you know, it does taste awful, but obviously you're not trying to do that. Anyway, the next thing is a skincare. Yeah, I've got a couple skincare little minis here. This is the Bioderma Shine Control Moisturizer. I loved this. I got 2 or 3 of these with a Bioderma kit that I got because I really do like their micellar water. I think I bought like 2 or 3 of those kits. This is a nice moisturizer, but it separates like crazy. You will go to open it one day and like I think there's still actually some in here, and maybe I can show you. It's actually a little bit mixed up, but like, do you see how runny and weird it is? I don't know. It always used to separate on me and some weird like clear liquid would come out, and I was just like, if that's happening to the sample, I don't want to know about the full size. And then I have the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores. Loved this stuff so much that I totally emptied out the jar. It's a charcoal mask. It's not anything super special, but I am addicted to charcoal masks. Alright, some more. There we go. I'm like digging for the makeup. 2 eyeliners that I have finished. This is the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Crybaby. This just broke on me. I had quite a bit left, but it broke on me, and then it just ended up breaking and breaking and breaking, and I was like, okay, it's done. There isn't that much product in those. Another thing that is in my project pan that I'm really excited about is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Berry Mary, and I have like so little left that I'm just gonna call it quits. And honestly, like, look it is still like so creamy. Like, I couldn't believe it. But yes, that is finished. I also got a sample of the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus cream. Okay, so I got to use this twice. There's like nothing left. I could probably get one more application out of it, but I'm not gonna deal with that. The first time, I didn't really like it. It wasn't very good coverage. Then the second time I used it, I don't know if my skin was a little more moisturized or the primer I used was better. Can't even remember what primer I used, of course. It was better. So I want to get another sample because that is really, really popular, and I want to see if I like it. This I have is the Liquid Strobe by Milk Makeup. Now, I got this in like a Sephora box or something like that. This is a terrible way to package this product. It completely dried out. So I tried to open it, and it's a pretty color and everything, but it does have sparkles in it. So yeah, this is just going in the trash. Another blush that's going in the trash is this Revlon Mineral Blush. It's starting to smell bad, and I think I just need to get rid of it. I never use it. So yeah, it was a pretty color, but I think it just needs to go. Okay, and another thing that this does not belong in the empties drawer. This is the Almay Intense Eye Color Smoky Eye for Blues. I just never use this. I'm going to pop this in a pile that I give to my niece because, yeah, I just don't use that, and it was sitting in my collection, and I was like, you know what? It's time to go. Then I also have a little Professional. I like this. It's not bad, but I'm starting to really try to figure out what primers work for me and what primers I just don't need, because I've got like 30 samples like this of primers, and I'm just like, I don't really know if I even like this. So I'm gonna try harder and trying to figure out, you know, which ones I like. I did think this like covered my pores, but I think that the Pearl version actually did a better job. I don't know. You remember, I will put, hopefully up in the cards I can find the anti-haul where I put that. I got a sample of it, and I was like, what the heck? This is like better than the Professional. So odd. Alright, I have a Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This was nice. One-time use, one of those little packets. It was really thin, and I do like those types of moisturizers. Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefit, and it looks like this. This was just a silly sample, honestly. I got one brow out of it because I did want to see how close the brow colors were and whatnot. And it did come with like a cute little applicator, but I don't know. I think it's cute, but the product is really expensive and I can get much cheaper, so I definitely won't be purchasing it anytime soon. And then this is the Fresh Sugar Nourishing Lip Balm Advanced Therapy. And it's a little pot, and they had like a little thing here. I still have a little bit of this. This is really nice. I don't like that. I don't like it as much as the Agave Lip Mask, just because it's a little less scented, but it is nice. It is very pepperminty though. Okay, so we've got some samples for perfume and then one other sample. This is the 100 proof. This is the treatment oil. This was awesome. I mean, if this wasn't super expensive, I would totally go out and purchase some because it lasted forever. This was like a 5-time use little sample, and you know, that just shows you how long you'll actually have the product. If I had the money for it, I would totally go buy it, but the oil was good for your hair though. All right, now I have this is the Nilu perfume, Eau de Parfum natural spray. And this, if I can't remember, yes, it's a little bit fruity. I really did like this scent. Scent is different for everyone. You know, like Kathleen Lights or Tati could be like, ooh, I love this scent, and you may not. Ooh, this is a very manly scent, and it does say Man by Boulevardy. Yes, this is a guy's scent, so it's very manly and like spicy. I like it though. And this is the Prada Candy. I love this. I love this perfume. It's so sweet and beautiful. Oh, it reminds me of the smell of my sister for some reason, even though she wore Angel. Oh, it does. It reminds me of my sister though, so much. All right, we're at the end. Oh my gosh. All right, thank you guys so much for watching my empties, and all of this stuff is going. Oh yeah, we're gonna listen to it. Let's get some listening. It's going in the trash, ladies and gentlemen. Are we done? Oh. Oops. We're not going to talk about that. All right, guys. So, yeah, we're going to throw all this stuff in the garbage. And, yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned because this week I have some awesome videos. I don't know if they're going to be up now or if they're going to be up after this video. But if they are up now, they will be up here. Make sure you check them out. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure you click this video here and here. Yeah, click those videos. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Oh, and do not forget, subscribe. See you later, guys.